Hey friends, if you are in plan to create a business website for modern business solutions like web technology, AI solutions, software solutions, SaaS software, or SaaS landing pages, you are watching a correct video. And especially if you are willing to have a layout or theme with a clean look, with minimal feature yet effective. So yes, in this video, we are going to use a multi-purpose WordPress theme to make a clean and effective website. And this is Sasfy, which is a multi-purpose Elementor WordPress theme that we are going to use and overview in this video. This theme is actually new and I am happy to record this video to introduce on this channel, and it has been developed by the Pixel Fit. Yes, and they are a very good, I believe. Yes, I believe because I'm using the theme from this house very first time. So Sasfy is a versatile and professional WordPress theme perfect for wide range of website needs, including business, software, AI, website builder, fintech, creative agencies, consulting services, software subscriptions, web applications, and digital marketing websites. So we can cover multiple websites using this SaaS Pay WordPress theme that comes with 7 plus multi-purpose landing pages. So I have already opened some layouts. This is for creative agency. It is really creative, but yes, it is presenting the content in a very clean and professional manner. This is for the SaaS software. Similarly, we have multiple choices at pre-made websites. You can explore the demos through the video description link, and you can choose any target website like any of these. So okay. So in this video, what we are going to do, we will create a demo website using Sasfy WordPress theme. We will discuss all the features, most of the features that we can avail through the theme so that you may take a wide decision about selecting this theme, or you may also need to compare other themes. So there are 1000 plus WordPress themes available on this channel itself to compare, understand, and choose even. Okay, so the Sasp multipurpose Elementor WordPress theme is the target in this video. Let us begin without any further delay. But yes, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel. We are discussing a lot about WordPress websites. And I'm ready with this core and fresh installation as always, and it is using the default WordPress theme 2025, but yes, we are going to add Sasp WordPress theme here. So why I chosen this theme to be on this channel? Mainly because of the price that you can avail for this theme, just $25 for this amazing theme. But yes, we are overgoing, so we will check how amazing it is really. And this is a new theme. This is being the another reason for choosing this theme, because I'm always wish to show you the latest things on the WordPress, for the WordPress website on this channel, right? So in the theme pack, what I got in the theme pack, I have demos. Okay, so all the demos has been given separately. Documentation, plugins in the plugin section. Sasfy core is here, and the theme itself. So the main theme and the child theme. So we are going to use this main theme for our installation purpose. Okay, to begin the installation, we can simply go to the appearance section and the themes, and here we can add new theme, upload theme. We need to choose the installable theme file here that you can access at the theme directory sasp.zip. Just select this. Don't try to upload the complete folder. Only sasp.zip file is to be uploaded here. It may take a while, however, the theme file size is really optimized. Got installed within 2-3 seconds. Yes. We can go to the theme page, and the SaaS is here along with the default theme. I'm using the version 1.0.4. Okay, so it is important to have the authorized copy of the theme through the themeforest.net, through the video description link, and you get all the benefits of the Envato here, like quality check by Envato, the future updates of this theme, the 6-month support from the Pixel Fit itself, and in addition to this, you'll get a free pass to join the iCreate program where you can complete your website in all aspects with the help of our WordPress mentors. Yes. So now we are here and we can activate the theme. For activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionalities. So let us install the plugins, and on the plugin screen I can see Elementor is here as a page builder, Sasfy toolkit, the breadcrumb, Medform, and one-click demo. Very less number of plugins. So this is going to make this theme stable, and we have very less dependency on the external plugin, and it is going to give us a stable website, of course. So the plugins are 5 that we need to install. Only 2 are required, rest are recommended only. But to get the optimal feature at the website, we have to install all the plugins. Okay, so 5 plugins have been installed, and now we can go back to the plugin installer screen, and this time we need to activate all the installed plugins. So I'm going to select all again, selecting activate, clicking on apply. All plugins have been successfully installed and activated as well. Come back to the dashboard. Okay, this is welcome page of Elementor. So we can come back to the dashboard and we may check if we need any further action regarding installation. So plan permalink not supported. Okay, change the permalink, post name is here, and we are going to save this. So it is correct. Okay, now so of course you need to activate the theme with the license that you'll get at theme forest. But yes, for illustration I'm completing the installation. And under appearance, so as of now what we have did, uh, the theme has been installed and the plugin set is installed. Now coming back, and at the appearance screen, import demo data is here, and here we can import the demo content. Okay, so demo import feature is available only for manual import. However, we can go for manual import since we have all the demo content in the theme pack. Like we can choose the respective demo that we want to have. Like if we are choosing the creative agency, the XML and the customizer, that file is available for import. But yes, you might not be willing to have this manual import. I mean the import process through XML files. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to activate the theme here. So we need to put the license code. However, this is just a illustration video, demonstration video. But yes, I need to show everything. I'll go for activation. Okay, so after activation, I'm in the theme activation. I have this access, and now we can import the selected demo. Okay, so import any starter sites below using the import feature is recommended. For fresh install, please check the system status. Okay, you will check the system status. Okay, everything is fine here. Memory limit 512. Okay, that is great. So demo data, and I'm choosing this very first one. However, you have all the choices in terms of what you are targeting with this multipurpose e-commerce Elementor WordPress theme. So I'm choosing this business one, and we can simply continue and import here. That's very simple and easy to use process for importing the demo data along with the theme installation. Everything is fine as of now. So let us wait on this screen without disturbing it, and I'll show you the rest of the part of this theme once we complete our demo website. Okay, so this is very cool message for me as always, and I can see the import complete message. Congrats, your demo are imported successfully. Now you can begin editing your site. Yes, great. All right, so I'm going to refresh this page to check our new website, and I am expecting a complete and full featured, plain, simple looking website. In this website, yes. So what we selected, this one, yes. So let us check now. And this is the preloader, and this is the website. but okay. So yes, website is here, and by this navigation, so what we can do, we can go to the edit with Elementor, and just we need to choose the homepage template, I believe, and these things are going to be fine. Featured image, page layout. So in the template, Elementor full width is already selected, and even the default will also give us the same output. I'm checking all these things. Okay, right. So publish. We need to hide this the header element. So just to make it home page. Coming back, we'll go to the pages, all pages. So and this is the front page, and I can choose to edit, and okay, great. So it is all set now, and I just disabled the page title and the G- Gutenberg editor, not an Elementor. So I just disabled this page title and just saved, and now it is fine. So our website is ready to customize, and we got this complete and well loading website in just few minutes with the Sasfy. Okay, so installation remained successful, smooth, and we can now proceed for editing the content. Now I'm taking you to the back end again, and this time I'll show you all the new navigations that we got in this installation. So Sasfy welcome is here. We have already activated the theme, installed the required plugins, demo data, use server status, and the theme options that I can show you. In the theme options, we have very common and basic settings through which we can control the website elements like layout, full width container, the body background, and the site border. Layout preloader you can set, so even you can disable the preloader if you don't want to show. And this is the preloader text. In case if you are facing any trouble in switching between the screen, just refresh the page after selecting the item like uh, branding. If it is not opening up, so you select the branding and refresh the page. This is a very simple trick for loading the page. So this is the primary logo and secondary logo and all. Okay, great. And the footer, page title, portfolio, shop, and the basic settings. Okay, great. Template builder is here. Through Elementor, we can go for template builder in case if you want to edit these items, and all can be handled easily with the Elementor page editor. Main form is here for creating forms, and I believe and there is something that okay, save changes, and so forms. So two forms has been given in the made form section, so you can edit the form areas. Even you can check the entries once your website went up. Next, there is nothing like a special. You need to update the portfolio section from this portfolio item. Rest things are very common as in general WordPress settings. So the main thing is the theme options in this navigations and portfolio, which is new, I or mat forms. And for editing the site content, you can simply open the page that you want to edit and start editing using Elementors. Like the respective sections can be read here or directly the page contents. Elementor is very easy to use and handle page builder, as you know, and non-tech person easily can do this. So you don't need any technical skill for doing all these things. So what you have to keep in mind while editing the page contents, just keep the text length same as has been used in the demo, and the dimension of image should be the same for maintaining the design integrity of the website. Rest things are going to be super fine. In case if you have any trouble, if you have any question, simply write in the comment section of this video or get in touch with a mentor here on the live chat. Okay, so a mentor can help you in all aspects to complete your website. So Sasfy can be a very good choice, and the price is also very good from the existing users. It has got 5-star ratings, and it can be a good choice in terms of multi-purpose Elementor theme for tech startups or the basic website for technology and fintech companies. Yes. So in the next video, I am coming with more resources for your WordPress website, and I believe you like this video and you are already a subscriber to this channel. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.